Hey, how are you doing? Alan Kavanagh here from daydreamnomore.com. I wanted to make a little video here tonight. It's late for me. It's 10 past 10 at night, but it's been a good day. I've just got off a Zoom with some of the Ninja team, okay, and we're discussing a few things. But even though it's late, I wanted to make this video, okay, because earlier on, as you can see here, I got a little shout out from Paul Turner, who was one of the live traders, okay, in the Ninja team, okay, and he said, if you're thinking about Forex as a way to take care of your finances, I'm sure Alan Kavanagh would be willing to share how the Ninja trading system works and how he has days like this. Now, the reason he's saying that is because today I had a massive day in the markets, okay? I hit 277 pips, which for me is almost 3 weeks worth of profit. Okay, my daily goal is 20 pips, and normally I'm very happy with that. But I noticed something today, and I went for it, and it paid off in a really big way, okay? And so I thought I'd go through, show you the trade, explain why I took it, what was my rationale behind it, and just to let you know that there is, a free group you can join to learn more about Forex. The team has an awful lot of free value to give, and it's really worth checking out. And you can reach out to me or to anyone who shared this with you, okay? They'll all have the same information, but everyone is welcome. So let me jump over here. Okay, I've marked this up just a little bit. I've marked this up after the fact, okay? This yellow vertical line, okay, this is where I left, okay? So this was actually a scan in one of the tools that we use, okay? And what happened was the scan had redrawn several times, and it was just pushing up and pushing up. We're obviously on the 5-minute chart here, okay? So if we just flick over to the hour, obviously you can see this massive run up, and things can't go up forever, okay? We can also see down the bottom here, okay? It is massively overbought. So I knew at some point it has to come down, okay? So I started to look at the higher time frames. I started to look at the 4-hour, and it was the same, okay? With pretty much everything up to the 10-hour, everything was massively overbought. So I started to hone in, and I started to build positions as soon as I seen it slowing down here, okay? Because it'd been quite a heavy pump all the way. But once I seen it starting to consolidate, I started to build positions, and I've just drawn in these red lines here as an example. And we can add some more. We'll take some trend lines here from the side. Okay, so I started to layer in positions when I noticed that things were slowly starting to turn. It didn't mean that they had to drop in my direction. Okay, but very slowly but surely the market started to turn out as I thought it would. And of course it's easier to see on the 4-hour, okay? So even before it changed here to red, I was already out with massive profit. So we're not allowed to talk about monetary value or percentages, but we can talk about pips. Okay, so I'll be honest, I ended up with 6 positions, all kind of scaled maybe 10 to 15 pips apart. And let me just get a little marker here. Okay, so as the market started to turn, it's not very big. Okay, but as the market started to turn, all my pips started to rack up. Now, once I got the ninja down, okay, you can see these ninja downs. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, ninja down, ninja up. Okay, that is a massive run up. The ninjactor is one of the free team tools. Okay, it is available to all paid members, although there is a free trial if you're interested in that. All you got to do is make your way to that free group that I mentioned. It is well worth it, okay? So we combine that with another tool that actually gives us the setups, okay? It's a huge time saver, okay? I don't have to scroll through all these charts to try and find profitable trades. I let our tool find them for me, and then I apply the Ninja trading system to it, and we start to profit. Okay, it's just as easy as that. Okay, I don't want to make it sound overcomplicated, because it isn't. If you turn up and you learn, you know, the sky's the limit. But as I said, once I got the Ninja down, okay, I was super confident and I let it run a good bit. But what I did is I started to drop down the time frames. Okay, so you can see I caught all of this move all the way down. Okay, so my positions would have been layered all the way through here. Okay, probably, you know, all my positions would have been layered like this. As soon as we got the AO flip, okay, these little dots, sorry, the parabolic SARS flip. Okay, I was happy to stay in the trade. We got a Ninja down. We're following this all the way down. But as soon as it started to consolidate, okay, I knew, okay, the market's going to start to turn again. So I just left. I took my profit and I left. Okay, it was actually just before this green candle I left. All right, and that was it, guys. Nothing spectacular. You know, I used the education that you know, I pay for a tool every month. Okay, along with that tool, the main thing that comes with it is an education. Okay, so I'd already learned about imbalances in the market, because nothing can go straight up like that. We'll look at it again on the 4 hour. Nothing can take off like that and not turn around. You see the way it's already slowing down. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's a new scan on this in the next couple of days and we're looking for that down movement. Okay, so even up on the day, okay, and I very rarely look at the day. Okay, it's still got room to go on the day, but the bands are tightening. Okay, it's slowly turning. Now, I normally don't use these higher time frames. Normally, I'm a bit of a scalper. I like to get in and get out. But I just had a feeling from the training I'd been through that this was too much, absolutely too much. And I was able to put a trading plan in place where I felt comfortable with a lot size that made sense, good risk management, because that's important, and that's something you can learn from the education that I've gone through as well. But that's it, guys. That's all I did. I had a few other scalps and stuff during the day, but all in all, it added up to 277 pips for the day. You know, closed out super happy. I had a bit of running around to do, and then, as I said, I had to catch up with the team. And yeah, this is working phenomenally well, and it's something I recommend you get started. Okay, this isn't about making perfect videos. It's about showing what works. You know, if someone has shared this to you, please get back to them. Ask them for information. Ask them for you know, an invite to that free Facebook group. Okay, this has absolutely been the best thing that I've done in years online. Okay, and I'm very, very happy. I don't want to do anything else. All right. As I said, my name has been Alan Kavanagh from daydreamnomore.com. I will see you in the next video. Be good.